But fast forward to now, this is how it looks right now.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, my name is Kyle and today I want to show you something what I found in the free Ethereum space. And the whole last year I was super skeptical about anything related to free crypto and I tested a bunch of different tools. But fast forward to now, this is how it looks right now. And I wasn't chasing anything crazy guys, I just testing dozens of crypto tools in 2026. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly what I tested and what's happened. Everything I show here is strictly for educational and entertainment purpose only. And now let's jump straight into the interesting part. Today I'm gonna test this tool. This is actually my latest find, so I'm gonna test it out and you will see everything live with me. And I already passed this step, so I already did it before. Let me just open the application and show you how it looks. Alright, few seconds to load. The application responds real fast. This is what I like, and everything inside is pretty simple and user-friendly first of all. And I'm gonna continue the settings. I want to show you the whole process, what I'm doing usually in this application. So let me just continue. So there is a few steps what I need to do, and that step is pretty simple. Even the Homer Simpson can finish that settings. Alright, let me just grab the first. Let me back here and just enter like that. Okay. And guys, all information here is from open public sources. Nothing guys here is private, so you can find similar online tools easily. And I just gonna continue finishing the second step, and the third already passed, and the last one, okay, the number is like that. Let me just enter like it was different, yeah, like that. Right, so the loading is started. That's really amazing. So all I just need is to wait a few seconds more, and yeah, and this is the thing I was talking about guys. Look at this, that's really amazing. Let me just do a quick setup what I did before, what I prepared before. That will be nice, that will be okay. And let me back, and all I just need is just to copy the same spot what is located on the pictures. That's really simple process, but I need to be sure everything is on the right place. And looks like okay. Let me check. Yeah, that's really dope. This is how it looks, and the interface is really amazing guys. And now it's time to send everything back, because this is the whole point of this video, right? Okay, so I just need to find the where, and let me open this one. Let me just fast grab my information what I need. I just need this one. All right, and let me back to the application. Let me just enter it right now, and confirm. Yeah, everything is already completed. That's really awesome. All I just need is to wait a few seconds more, or 1 minute more, I don't know. And it's time to show you the name of this tool. You can pause the video right now and find it by its name, and always be aware of using the official links. So the name is -10+bot. Alright, let me back to the main, and maybe I'm gonna use this later. So I'm gonna open the main, and I'm gonna check the update. So nothing yet appears, so I need just to wait a bit more, and I need to refresh the page. Let me just do it. Yeah, let me just do it again. Okay, and yep, look at this, everything is already appears. This is nice, simple steps and fast response. That's really amazing guys. And if you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this information with your friends, press like, and I'll catch you in another one.